Hey loves, Dima here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe and turn the bell icon on so you can be notified on my future videos. Today we are going to be making an overnight hair growth spray for super fast hair growth. This hair tonic will shock you. You will be amazed at what these leaves can do to your hair. This is a hair tonic. Please keep on watching and I will be right back. You're welcome back. My first ingredient is papaya leaf and I'll be using a leaf like so. In the part 1 of this video, which I will link in the description box below, I shared what papaya leaves and guava leaves really are. I equally shared its benefits for hair. Please do well to check that out. You can watch that first before coming to watch this. After plucking the leaves, I discarded the stem and next I grabbed my guava leaves and I equally plucked that as well. I washed thoroughly to remove impurities before I started chopping with my fingers. Please keep watching to see all of that. Papaya and guava leaves are an olden days secrets. In the olden days, they used these leaves to darken their hair and to grow their hair long and thick. Like I always say, anything edible that grows out from the ground is a potential hair care product. Feel free to explore natural ingredients. If you are in doubt, please feel free to do your research. All the herbs you see around you are super potent and great for hair growth. Feel free to try them in your hair. They are safe to try, no preservatives, no harsh chemicals. They are 100% natural. I'm a living testimony. I've been able to grow my hair this long and thick from using natural ingredients. I don't need to spend much money buying hair products because the herbs around me can do the job, and I'm excited and grateful to God for that. They are working for me, so why not? Please do not forget to wash these leaves thoroughly before cutting with your fingers because they come with a lot of impurities, dust and dirt. Next, pour a cup of water in the pot and then transfer all the leaves in the pot. You are to bring the water to a boil before transferring the leaves, please. There is no time frame for this. You will know that this is ready once the leaves changes color. Ensure to stand by this and stir from time to time to avoid the water from drying up. Cover the pot and allow to simmer for a few minutes until you see changes on the leaves. The hair tonic is ready once you notice the leaves have changed color like so. Bring down the pot, turn off the heat and allow to cool down completely. You equally notice that the water which you poured in the pot before adding the leaves have changed color. This shows you that the leaves have released all its benefits in the liquid. Once you turn off the heat, you can further infuse this in the pot for extra 8 hours. That is, if you want this to be extra potent. Cover up the pot and allow to sit on a surface for 8 hours before straining. This is what mine looks like. I'll go ahead and place it on a surface and allow it to infuse for 8 hours before I strain. After 8 hours, this is what it looks like. I will go ahead and strain this to get my hair tonic. I strain using a strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. After the sieving process, I'll go ahead and transfer this into my applicator bottle. The applicator bottle will enable me apply this on my hair. Before I forget, for the storage, you can store this for maximum of 5 days in the refrigerator. You can use this as a final rinse or as a leave-in spray in your hair. You can as well use it as the L in your LOC or LCO method of moisture routine. That is, you can spray it in your hair, follow up with a leave-in conditioner and then seal with and seal with hair oil or hair butter cream. I'm going to be spraying this on my cornrows. I've been wearing these cornrows for 3 weeks now and This is one way I care for my cornrows. I'm going to use this to saturate my cornrows first, and then follow up with a leave-in conditioner, and as well as sealing in all that moisture with my hair oil and hair butter cream. I'm not going to be showing all that processes in this video because I feel it doesn't concern this video. So I'm only going to spray this on my cornrows just to dampen it a bit. I'm actually not going to wet or drench my hair with this. Alternatively, you can as well use this as the final rinse on your wash day. After shampooing, deep conditioning, and all the hair treatments you do to your hair, use this as a final rinse, and then cover up your hair for just 30 minutes. If you have time, you can cover up for 1 hour before rinsing off with normal water. Follow up with moisture routine and then style your hair. Please, you cannot use shampoo to rinse this off. You can only use normal water to rinse this off. I know a lot of you are going to be asking me this in the comment section below. For best results, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week to hydrate your hair. I think that's all for this video, guys. I'll be calling it a day here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to thumbs up this video if you found this helpful. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Also turn the bell icon so you could be notified on my future videos. And lastly, share. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.